Struggling with your beauty routine because your mirror just doesn't cut it? Whether it's shaping perfect brows, applying makeup with precision, or doing skincare detail work, a magnifying mirror can make a world of difference. But not all magnifying mirrors are created equal. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best magnifying mirrors that combine clarity, lighting, and smart design. As a seasoned reviewer, I've picked these based on performance, features, and user satisfaction. Let's help you find the mirror that sees what others can't. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Conair Magnifying Mirror. The Conair double-sided lighted makeup mirror is a timeless choice that blends function and simplicity. Known for its budget-friendly pricing and salon-style aesthetics, this mirror provides 2 viewing options, one regular and one magnified side. It's ideal for everyday grooming, detailed makeup application, or quick skin checks. With a sleek chrome finish and soft incandescent glow, it's easy to see why this mirror is a favorite in many households. Key features: the Conair mirror comes with 1x and 7x magnification on opposite sides, a circular design, and a 360-degree rotation feature. It's powered by a soft halo light that mimics natural lighting. The mirror diameter is 6.5 inches, making it compact but effective for face-level tasks. Its power switch is conveniently located on the base for easy access during use. Benefits and usage: the magnification options allow you to flip between general viewing and detailed focus, perfect for eyeliner, tweezing, or skincare routines. The lighting enhances visibility without harsh shadows. You can rotate the mirror to any angle to suit your setup, whether you're at a vanity or a tight bathroom space. It's versatile enough for both men and women. Usability: the mirror is plug-in operated, so no need to worry about changing batteries. Its intuitive design makes it great for users of any age, and it can easily sit on a countertop without taking up too much space. Setup is as simple as plugging it in and turning it on. No complicated assembly required. Durability: built with a sturdy metal frame and chrome finish, the Conair mirror holds up well with regular use. The swivel mechanism is smooth and long-lasting. Users report consistent performance even after months of daily use. Its incandescent bulb can be replaced when needed, giving the mirror extended lifespan value. In the second spot, we have Floxite 10x Magnifying Mirror. The Floxite 10x Magnifying Lighted Mirror is a powerhouse for precision. Designed for those who require extreme close-up clarity, this mirror is particularly useful for intricate grooming tasks. With intense magnification and bright lighting, it's a go-to choice for beauty professionals or anyone who needs a magnified, distortion-free reflection. Key features: the Floxite mirror boasts a powerful 10x magnification lens with optical quality glass. It's equipped with LED lighting that circles the mirror, simulating daylight conditions. It features a foldable design and includes a suction cup base for mounting on smooth surfaces like mirrors or tiles. It also runs on batteries, making it great for travel. Benefits and usage: this mirror brings the tiniest details into sharp focus, ideal for detailed eyeliner work, pore inspection, and precision shaving. The LED lighting ensures every feature is illuminated clearly. Because of its compact, folding design, it can easily be packed in a suitcase or gym bag, offering convenience for on-the-go grooming. Usability: despite the intense magnification, the Floxite is incredibly user-friendly. The suction mount is strong and easy to install, and the mirror stays firmly in place. It folds down into a protective case, making it easy to transport. Operation is simple. Just insert batteries and tap the light on. Durability: crafted with high-quality plastic and a distortion-free lens, the Floxite mirror is built to last. The LED bulbs are energy-efficient and long-lasting, offering thousands of hours of use. The compact case prevents scratches during travel, while the suction mechanism remains reliable over extended use. Coming in at number 3 is the Zadro Magnifying Mirror. The Zadro lighted wall mount mirror is a premium choice for those who want a permanent, hands-free setup. With its hotel-style design and extendable arm, it's perfect for bathrooms and vanity stations where convenience meets professional-level detail. It combines elegance with exceptional magnification and lighting. Key features: Zadro's mirror features dual-sided glass with 1x and 10x magnification, surrounded by circular LED lighting. The wall-mounted design includes a swing arm that extends and folds as needed. The mirror is plug-in powered and rotates 360 degrees for complete viewing flexibility. Its 8-inch mirror face offers ample space for full-face work. Benefits and usage. This mirror offers crystal-clear reflection with bright, white LED lighting that mimics natural daylight. The dual magnification allows you to switch from standard view to 10x close-up effortlessly. The extendable arm means you can bring the mirror closer to your face or fold it flat when not in use, saving space. Usability. Once mounted, the Zadro mirror becomes a seamless part of your bathroom setup. It's perfect for applying makeup, shaving, or even inserting contact lenses with accuracy. The plug-in design ensures reliable power without battery maintenance, and the swivel feature lets you position the mirror exactly where you need it. Durability. Constructed from high-quality brass and chrome materials, this mirror is both sturdy and stylish. The lighting system is built to last, and the mount holds steady even with frequent adjustments. It's made to withstand humid bathroom environments without rusting or loosening over time. Taking our fourth spot is Fancii LED Mirror. The Fancii LED lighted magnifying mirror is a portable, high-tech solution for flawless beauty routines. Designed for people who need precision and portability, it's compact enough to carry yet powerful enough for detailed tasks. With premium lighting and smart magnification, it balances style with functionality. Key features. This Fancii model features 10x magnification with a 5-inch mirror diameter. It's surrounded by 16 daylight LED lights and includes a 360-degree swivel joint for perfect positioning. It attaches to any flat surface using a strong suction cup and is powered by AAA batteries. It also comes with a travel pouch. Benefits and usage. Ideal for makeup, tweezing, and skincare, the Fancii mirror makes seeing small details effortless. Its daylight LED lighting ensures accurate color tones and sharp clarity. Whether you're at home or traveling, this mirror ensures you never compromise on your grooming quality. Usability. The compact size and suction mount allow for flexible use. Stick it to a bathroom mirror, window, or countertop with ease. The swivel function makes it easy to find the right angle. Its portable size is travel-friendly, and the battery operation means no cords to worry about. Durability. Made from high-quality plastic with scratch-resistant glass, the Fancii mirror is reliable for long-term use. The suction cup remains strong through repeated use, and the LED lights offer over 50,000 hours of life. The mirror is well protected in its pouch, making it a durable travel companion. And finally, at number 5, we have Jerdon Trifold Mirror. The Jerdon Trifold two-sided lighted mirror is the ultimate all-in-one vanity mirror. Designed with a wide viewing angle and multiple magnification levels, this mirror brings a salon-like experience to your home. The trifold design allows you to view your face from multiple angles, perfect for makeup artists or detail-oriented users. Key features. The Jerdon mirror features a center mirror with 1x magnification and 2 side panels with 2x and 3x magnification. It includes adjustable lighting settings, day, office, evening, and home, to suit your environment. It's plug-in operated and has a built-in outlet for styling tools. The folding design offers compact storage when not in use. Benefits and usage. With its wide, panoramic view and multiple lighting options, this mirror adapts to all your grooming and styling needs. Whether you're contouring, grooming facial hair, or curling hair, this setup gives you clarity and control. The built-in outlet adds functionality for hot tools, reducing clutter at your vanity. Usability. The mirror folds flat for easy storage and unfolds to provide a wide, immersive viewing experience. Light settings are changed with a front-facing switch, and its plug-in nature ensures consistent performance. It's an ideal choice for those with larger vanities or who prefer a dedicated grooming space. Durability. Crafted with sturdy plastic and shatter-resistant mirrors, the Jerdon Trifold is made to last. The hinges remain strong after repeated folding, and the lighting system is dependable over time. Users praise its long-term reliability, especially for daily makeup and hairstyling routines. And there you have it, our roundup of the top 5 best magnifying mirrors that truly make a difference in your daily routine. Whether you're after precision, lighting, portability, or versatility, one of these mirrors is bound to match your lifestyle. Investing in the right magnifying mirror isn't just about vanity, it's about clarity, confidence, and care. If any of these stood out to you, be sure to check the links in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert reviews just like this. Thanks for watching.